Hi, Lexie. Overall, I think you did a really good job with the assignment. There was a great description in your I believe narrative. You also have a title that conveys what your belief statement is going to be about. A few things that you can improve on in your essay is comma usage and run-on sentences. Here, I commented on a specific example of a run-on sentence. I hate when people cry. I just hate to see people upset, so I told my mom I had to go to the bathroom. Here, you could split up the sentence by putting a period after upset and capitalizing so. This is because you switch topics in your sentence, so it makes more sense to break it up into two. There's a couple more examples in here that I commented on that you can go ahead and fix whenever you are revising. Lastly, when adding description to your story, think about using participles. A participle is the ing form of a verb that acts on an adjective. It gives the reader a more vivid image. So, an example that you could use here is whenever you talk about the loud machine sounded like a sh sound, but harsher. You could change the sentence to say, hissing and growling. The machine was an intimidating sound in the room. This would give the reader a more vivid image and able to connect it better. I think you're doing a great job. These are just some tips to enhance your writing. The only other thing I would comment on is making your connection to copper sun a little bit longer and maybe developing a little bit longer of a conclusion. Also, your introduction should be split up into a separate paragraph. Other than that, great job and keep up the great work.